Draw two parallel lines, connect the ends, a little curve on each side on the top of that long rectangle you just drew, and then connect with a curve on the top. Starting here, we're going to do a circle shape around, and just above that, we're going to do the body of the guitar. Do a small rectangle in this area. This is where the strings are going to attach. Add that little U shape there. All right, we're going to start the back of the guitar by a little part there, and then this we're going to mimic the curve of the body of the guitar and then end it at the bottom. Make 6 little handles on each side and then a little line that connects to the handle. Now this is where we're going to have the strings go. We're going to start from the top, go down to that little rectangle that you made before.